go to the office and come back, it's line. So
Yeah, so let's go to the cathedral. Yeah, it's in there, right? Yeah, let's go. I was wondering what building was that? That one over there in glass, but because it looks like a building by Donald Trump. I don't know if it's in Chicago or someplace. I saw on Wikipedia, that's why.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks very similar, and it's super tall. Yeah. Oh, it's a power bank.
Yes.
You are running out of battery.
Yes, but I have not the right cable.
Oh, I see. Yours is also a Samsung,
Yes.
same as mine.
Yeah, I like Samsung.
Yeah. Because it's funny. That's one of the things that I find interesting is that in Portugal, very few people, very few, relatively few, have an iPhone.
Yeah.
In Germany, they don't have it as well?
A lot of people
Have?
have iPhone.
All right. So, but in Portugal, no. Only a few. It's not very frequent. Most people have Samsung, Xiaomi's, and all that.
Okay.
But in the Netherlands and in Luxembourg, everyone has an iPhone.
Okay.
Everyone. It's. Yeah. Well, in Luxembourg, I can't even remember seeing a phone, a mobile phone, which is not the iPhone, which I found interesting. And then I went to a normal store in Luxembourg and in the Netherlands. We have a store which is Media Markt.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have it in German?
Yes. It is a German chain.
Is this a German chain? All right, so you know. And I saw the prices of iPhones. Can you believe it? It is the same price as in Portugal.
Okay.
If I go to a Media Mart in Lisbon, because there's also in Lisbon, because they sell everything, and it's relatively cheap. You find good prices in there, but the iPhones are the same price. Can you imagine? Because the salaries in Portugal are much lower,
Yeah.
but you pay the same amount for an iPhone.
Yeah, that's
It is so strange, man. It is so strange. It's always the same. It's 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, which is the same prices.
yeah.
And I had a colleague of mine when I was working in Portugal at the central bank. The guy, his salary should be around 900 euros per month. A month.
Netto. After tax.
Yeah, probably after taxes. Yeah, or somewhere around that, whatever. And the guy was a maniac for iPhones, a complete maniac. And so what did he do? Every time a new iPhone would come,
Yeah. He buys a new one.
he buys a new one, he gives back the old one, and he always says, "I give the old one, I pay like 500 euros, something like that, to get a new one." And I think to myself, this guy is basically paying more than half his salary on a phone.
The best way to waste money. Yeah. So
You- On a phone, when your phone is good,
Yeah.
your phone is good.
You don't need a new one.
Yeah, Why? And I feel like this is so yeah.
Yeah, because at the end, you do always the same thing.
It does it very with very few features, of course.
Yeah.
But is it really worth it? Is it really worth it? Come on, it's not. I don't think it is. He used to laugh at me because I only have phones. I mean, this one cost me 120 or 130. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, whatever.
Yeah, that's
I
a
don't
bit
care.
more sophisticated, but I have it since 2.5 years now.
And it works.
It is the S22.
S22.
Yeah.
Oh, it's much better than me. Mine is A14.
Yeah. Okay.
A14.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have some problems with the capacity of the battery because I need it.
You recharge it a lot.
Yeah, and I need it because I track my sugar because of the insulin.
Oh, I see.
So it is important that the battery is
Oh,
working good.
it influences the battery.
Yeah,
Oh, I
it
see.
influences the battery, and I need it because when I eat, I have to see how much insulin I need. I have to track it.
Because of the carbohydrates.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah.
Here, see, green. It has to move in the green
Area.
area, and I have to control it.
So you have to eat.
So I need my mobile